A clear workspace keeps your team moving. Do you rely on assets and lone worker? Keep them front and center. Or maybe your team is all about inspections, actions, and training. Whatever the job calls for, a tailored navigation experience puts the features you use most right at your fingertips. You choose which features appear on the web app sidebar and on the mobile app's navigation bar. You can highlight the essentials and move everything else into the More menu to keep things simple. We'll use the web app to apply the same navigation across your organization and show you how to allow each user to personalize their own view. Before we get started, let's make sure you have the Platform Management Organization permission. Ready? Let's go. Click your organization name. Then select Organization Settings. Scroll to Navigation and click Edit. We'll start with Organization Manage to apply consistent navigation experience for all users. Choose the features you want to display on the web app. Uncheck anything you prefer to keep under More. Then check the items you want visible on the web sidebar. On mobile, you can choose up to 3 items, so pick the ones your team uses the most. To reorder, click and hold the drag icon, then move each feature into the right spot. When you're done, click Save Changes. This applies the same navigation to everyone in your organization. If you want your team to adjust their own layout, turn on Personalized. With this enabled, each user can rearrange and customize their own navigation from their device. Let's take a look. On the web app, each user can go to the More tab, then click here to edit the sidebar. On mobile, each user can go to More, then tap Edit Navigation Bar. Whether you want consistent navigation across the organization or the flexibility for each person to tailor their view, a clear focused workspace helps your team get to the right tools faster. To explore more ways to manage your organization, search Organization Settings in our Help Center. Discover more tools for managing your team at help.safetyculture.com.